Ireland is an ancient and unspoilt land. There are few places to which nature has been so kind.
For generations, we have intuitively understood what people everywhere are now articulating. That how we treat our environment deeply influences how it treats us. That the legacy we leave lives long into the future.
Now, from this deep-rooted commitment to sustainability, something extraordinary is springing into life. Our farmers and our fishermen, our food and our drink producers are mobilising together to transform the way we create food. 3 years ago, we introduced Origin Green, a bold promise to the world that Ireland would be a leading source of sustainably produced food and drink, independently verified at every link in the supply chain.
And every day since, we are making good on that promise.
On our farms and in our businesses, we are measuring, learning and improving. Then measuring again. This is a giant leap, made up of tens of thousands of tangible steps. It is a movement eagerly embraced throughout our community because its principles are in our nature. Three of every 4 food and drink producers have already joined us. By 2016, all will be on the journey.
So, if like us, you favour walking lightly over the land, taking steps to protect the world's scarce resources, come with us. Together, we can form a new contract with nature and unlock the natural capital of this precious land for generations to come.